Now we're at the Elmwood Park Garage with the famous US elevator that got modernized by ThyssenKrupp in I think 2016.
That would be about right.
And here she is.
Let's see how this elevator is doing tonight.
Yeah, let's see how she's running.
And this is the only thing that's left from the US is that lantern right there.
There's your car panel. Nice and ADA accessible.
Yep. She's running great. And there is your lantern. The original US lantern. Let's go back to the 5 and
Press the door close. It does not work.
And it does not work because it has a set door timer. It'll take like 2 seconds to level. You sure you gonna want?
You wanna get out?
Yeah, I want to see the famous Mill Mountain Star.
There she is, right up there by the street light.
Yep,
And you got it right on your camera.
that is pretty cool. And there's downtown Roanoke. Isn't she pretty?
Here she is.
I love that they kept a lantern there. It tells people, hey, this is over to the US.
You got to see the old buttons in the Elevators Elevator Museum.
That is correct. It's a nice cab. Park Roanoke did a pretty good job with this cab. Mad BS. Moon. Buttons. And here we are at 1.
And you want to see something cool? Hold on just a sec.
And it's on a level 2.
Alright, I'm going to wheel you around really quick here. Try
Yes.
Here we go. Now watch this.
Let's watch it.
There it goes.
Cruise motorcycle.
Telescoping in ground.
That is so cool.
So what'd you think about that, Jay?
It's pretty cool.
Awesome. I love taking you around. That was fun.
Yes, it was. And I guess that is going to be it for me.